2018. And this month's Ipsy bag came with 2 markers, of course, and the bag, which my 10-year-old daughter, Symmetra's, decided to decorate for me. So she didn't do the other side. I don't know why, but yeah, so those are the little bag and markers it came with. And then it came with the card that says Create Ipsy March 2018. And on the back it says, this month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space, smash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade. Rethink your wardrobe, pairing prints and combos you never usually try. Turn your Instagram pics into real life gallery. Dust off your guitar and start strumming. Dance, sing, sculpt, write. It's time to create your masterpiece. Need a starting point? Get creative with this month's coloring book, Inspired Glam Bag. We even included 2 markers, but feel free to use as many colors as you like to help you unleash the artist within. Share your creation on social media and tag at Ipsy and Ipsy Create for a chance to be featured on Ipsy. I guess that's pretty cool. And for tons more info and everything you need to know about your 5 glam bag picks, head over to the Ipsy mobile app. We can't wait to see what you create. Okay? And so my daughter created. Okay, so let me quit playing and jump right in here. The first product in my Ipsy bag, I've already unbagged, so I got this fan brush. I guess you put highlighter on or whatever. And I love the colors on this brush. It's so pretty. So I really, really am happy with Ipsy this month because I normally get brushes, but it's never the ones I want. But this one was actually a brush that I wanted. So happy with that. That would be product number 1. Product number 2, also in love. This is a Steve Laurent lip oil. Yeah, so I have on just a lip pencil right now. It's Mean Girls, and this eye pencil set that I have, I'm going to do a review on that also, but I love that color. And I'm going to try on this Steve Laurent lip oil, which was product number 2 in my bag. And this is how it looks. I'm going to try some of this over my lip pencil and see how that looks. Let's see. It's not sticky at all, and I'm loving it. So it looks so pretty with a lip pencil. So I'm loving you this month, Ipsy. Normally I'm not too into the Ipsy bags, but because even when you go in and update your preferences, which I did, I said I do not want any more mask or skincare products or hair care products, and I still received some, so I wasn't too happy with that. But these 2 items I really like. Oh, up next, number 3 would be this Sex Kitten eyeliner, and it's by Tarte, and it's black. And my lips a little glossy right now. I'm like, but yeah, it's black. Let me see. It's a little kitten. And it's not very much product in there, but it is what it is. And I actually used this and did my eyes today. We'll try to do a cat eye with this, so yeah, as you can see, I think I did pretty good. So that was product number 3 in my bag. Product number 4 and 5, let's jump into those. The first one is Gold Fading MD Facial Detox Clarify. It's a mask, so I don't know if you can see that with my lighting, but it's just a mask, which I said I didn't want any more masks. And then I have a Benefit Pore Minimizing Cleanser. So I don't want any more skincare. Ipsy, if you're watching this, please stop sending me skincare, even when I update my preferences, because I do not care for these. They go in my little drawer of maybe I'll use one day or whatever. But so 1, 2, 3. Love this lip oil by Steve Laurent. I love this fan brush. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and 5 is the Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte. That's what I got. So that, the lip oil, the fan brush, and the 2 facial mask and cleaner thingies. So that was my March Ipsy 2018 bag. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a blessed day. Goodbye.